right, pull it. Now pull it down. Wait, can I help?
No.
Oh no, not up.
Well,
Down.
You're just worried about filming.
Yeah, just good. Now,
There it
you
goes.
just don't film my shirt.
There it goes.
Hits the
Okay.
switch.
Okay,
Okay.
then now the lights are on.
Now the lights are on. Let's see if it works.
Well, it will work.
Let's see if it works.
You got it.
Now it works. It's working now.
From there, but it's not working.
Let's see which. All right.
No, it's not working because I didn't reset it.
Yeah, you're wrong.
I'm gonna shut it off.
Okay, now.
Now reconnect it.
Okay, I'll reconnect it. Now, I'm not going to do this every time you come down.
Okay. Just this once.
Just when you have to. That's what you
Yeah.
have. When you have to, then it's
Something shook loose.
I was kind of worried there for a minute. It must have shook it back when the door slammed down. It shook it back because the sensor light came on again. Pull that up, and now let's see if it works.
Well, it's going
Let
to
him get out of the way. Try the remote. See if the remote works.
And it works. Woohoo! Now it's working
We don't
again.
have a serious problem, though. We just got a little problem. But
Yeah.
little problem might mean I might still have to buy a new remote.
Well, it worked there.
The remote worked out for now. Let it shut all the way, and then that'll be it.
Yeah. Now we have to let it rest because we might have.
It's just averted for now.
We might have Now, quit again.
That light went out.
Did you do
The
it with
power
the
just
remote?
went out.
Huh?
It
The
went
power
out
just
again.
went out on it.
All.
Did you do it with the remote?
He
Yeah.
closed it with a remote, but the power just went
I
out.
think the problem is that when you do it with the remote, the power goes out.
Well, something's loose there.
Then it's loose now.
Yeah.
Look now.
Okay, turn it off.
Okay, let's turn it off again.
Okay.